Okay, so this video you are watching right now, in the next few minutes, I'll show you how SaaS companies will create UGC ads without creators, cameras, or reshoot. And yes, this is already good enough to run ads. If you're building a SaaS, you already know this is a problem. UGC converts are extremely well, but creators are expensive, inconsistent, and slow. You brief them, they mess it up. You ask for revisions, they disappear. Now, this is the uncomfortable truth. Most SaaS UGC ads don't need real creators anymore. AI video generations has crossed a line, and we are no longer talking about those avatars or robotic voices. We are talking about natural scroll stopping UGC ads. Those look like they are shot on an iPhone, but yes, they are created within minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI generated UGC videos for your SaaS application step by step. No filming, no hiring creators, no reshoot, just scripts, product screens, and AI. So first of all, notice how perfect this video is.
Finally, it built my routine in 30 seconds and actually fits my sensitive skin.
Recommendations are spot on.
And I finally know what to use.
Simple app, clear steps, and it saves me time every morning.
So this is the SaaS application I'm building, and yeah, this is the SaaS application I'm building, and with Higgsfield.ai, we are going to create UGC ad for my SaaS application. So go to Higgsfield.ai, and here are a different. So go to Higgsfield.ai and create your account to access this interface. And here are a few different options, but I'll click video. Then I'll click to add option, and I'll go to that page. And here I'll go to my website and copy the link, and I'll paste it here. You can also go to this location, this link, and create your product description from scratch. But as we have already hosted our project, I'll pull it from my website directly and click continue. So as you see, this is pulling all the data from my website, and in the meanwhile you can play video game and so on. So it has pulled all the data from my website, as you can see. So I'll click continue. And the previous video I have shown you, I have created customer review type, and for now I'll click viral chaos, and I'll click generate video. So I'll get back when this is ready. So this video has been generated after 2-3 minutes, and let's watch it. So yeah, it's perfect. It's close to perfect. And let's create another. Oh, I have to apply it from scratch again. Okay, let's do it. It's happening all over again. So yeah, it's been generated again. Let's see. And for this time I'll select, let's say, luxury. Let's generate video of luxury type. I'll get back when it's ready. So yeah, it has been generated, and let's watch it.
AI-powered skincare that analyzes your skin and creates a personalized routine and product picks in 30 seconds. Effortless, science-backed care tailored to you. I'll discover glamour.
So yeah, this is how you create UGC videos without UGC creators.